Hey guys, welcome back. This is Y2K Diva Locs, and I am checking in. Today is Monday, July 8th, 2019, and guess what today is? 20 days. 20-day lock update. I was so excited I could not even wait 21 days. I couldn't wait 3 weeks, which would have been tomorrow. I'm so excited about my locks. I could not even wait the 1 month, which will be in 10 days. This is 20 days, guys. 20 days. I've had my locks. 20-day lock journey coming at you right now. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Y2K Diva coming at you at my 20-day lock journey update. So today is Monday, July 8th, 2019. Tomorrow is my father's birthday. What? And what is today? Not the day before my father's birthday, which is tomorrow, July 9th. But today is a 20-day lock journey update. Yes, I have been locked for 20 days now, and I'm so excited about it. Nah, I couldn't wait for a 21-day, 3-week update. Nah, I couldn't wait for a 1 month update, because 1 month update would be 10 days from now. Today's my 20-day lock journey update. Right? So excited. I couldn't even wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow I could have did a 3-week update, but I didn't. I'm doing it today for the 20-day lock update. So I just kind of wanted it to update you on my locks. I'm absolutely loving it. Yes, I look a little bit weird with the front part there, and there's a reason. That is deliberate and that is intentional. The only thing is, I feel like Richie Rich in a way. Remember Richie Rich, the cartoon character, right? With the part down the middle and the blonde hair on. Yeah, well, so I might be looking a little crazy with the part in the middle because I want my locks to fall in a certain type of way. This is my second set of locks. In my first set, I always did the side part. A lot, and now I just kind of want to do the center part. I'm looking a little crazy right now, and that's okay. That's okay. We all have that ugly duckling stage when we're starting off our locks, but I just kind of wanted y'all to see, and you know, I might want to, you know, flex a little bit. Look, forehead length check. What? Yeah. So hopefully, you know, maybe my hair grew a millimeter or two in the past 20 days. I don't know, but I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. I am loving it. I said that I was going to wear some head wraps, but I haven't gotten there yet. I'm just kind of letting the hair just absorb the vitamin D, right, that nature has to offer. So I haven't done the head wraps. I do have a hat, but I haven't worn my hat so much. I've not washed my hair. I did start off with 2-stranded twists with my hair. I didn't do the coils, and so if you look closely, you can see in my other video, you'll be able to see the 2 strands. They're in there. Trust and believe. So there we go. Now, you know what? I've been noticing in my previous videos, anytime I show you the back of my hair, on my side of my hair with my locks, my hand is always in a way. So I don't know if that was some sort of subconscious thing because of the gray. I'm still trying to accept this gray, and I'm still trying to transition into this gray. So I don't know if it's like a subconscious insecurity type thing where, hey guys, look at my locks. You can't see it because then you can't see the gray. I don't really know what I'm doing with that, but I need to keep my hands out of my hair when I show you my lock updates. So so there it is. Oops, I'm gonna keep my hands out. I am liking my locks. I love them. I love them. There we go. And I'm loving it. I'm going to upload another video with some concerns that has arisen, not with locks overall, but with my locks and what they're doing in this 3 weeks excuse me, in these 20 days, right? So I'm discovering some patterns and some habits and what my hair likes and what my hair does not like. And so I'm going to share that with you in another video, but I've got to go. I just wanted to check in and say hi to everybody, to everyone, and stay tuned. Bye. Today is January. Wait. Hey guys, this is Y2K Diva coming at you on Monday, July 8th. This is Y2K Diva coming at you. Today's Monday, July 8th. Like shit. Hi guys, today's Y2K Diva coming at you. Today is Monday, July 9th, 2019. Just had to kind of come in and check in and say hello and to let you know about my 20 days. I'm 20 days locked. I'm 20 days locked. Okay, so that was whack. We're not doing that. This is crazy, guys. But yes. See the big forehead? No. See the big forehead? No. Still trying to get used to my voice. See the locks? I like it. Liking the locks. Liking the locks. I'm 20 days locked. I'm locking the locks. No rhythm. No beats. Nothing.